Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the Philips 3-in-1 mixer grinder and food processor model HL7707/01. Perfect food processing in just one go. Kneads atta in only 1 minute. Even chopping in just 5 pulses. Chefro jar, chopper blade, kneading blade, citrus press, grating blade, slicing blade, blender jar with pulp extractor that is 1.5 liter, multipurpose jar for dry and wet ingredients 1.0 liter, chutney jar that is 0.5 liter. Speed technology for perfect control, power chop for faster sharper performance, powerful motor for heavy duty processing, unbreakable rust free blades for long life, free home service available, quick grind jars, 2 years warranty on the product, 5 years separate warranty on the motor. This is a powerful 750 watt machine that works as a mixer grinder, juicer and full food processor. Let's open the box and see what we get inside. Unboxing experience is clean and all attachments are well packed. Philips mixer grinder base in black. Blender jar. Chutney jar, wet grinding jar. Now let's see the food processor attachments. This is the best food processor. This is the grating blade for cheese, carrots, coconut and more. Here is the slicing blade for uniform slices. This is the chopping blade for vegetables and fruits. Here is a close look at the Philips mixer grinder base, its jars and the food processor attachments. This is a food processor. We also get a dough kneading blade. This makes chapati or roti dough in just few minutes. This is the chopping blade for vegetables and fruits. We have the user manual and warranty card. This 3-in-1 appliance easily replaces multiple separate machines. If you want a durable mixer grinder and food processor combo, this model is great choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more unboxing videos.